We're going to be making some sweet tea using Lipton Black Tea, and this one is the 100 bags, and you can either have it hot or iced, so they give you different directions. Using a half pitcher of boiling water and add 4 tea bags for 3 minutes. Fill the rest of the pitcher with ice. Enjoy now or refrigerate later, or you can try it hot. Fill up the cup with the boiling water and add 1 tea bag. Steep for 3 to 5 minutes and add milk if desired and sweeten the tea. They'll be in this container. We just need 1 for now. Usually you would have the tea bag in the cup and then you will pour the boiling water over it. But just for this demonstration, we have hot water. It is recommended not to microwave the tea bag, and also not recommended to, squeeze the tea bag. Squeezing the tea bag will release a lot of the bitter flavor. So unless you like the bitter flavor of the tea, you can squeeze the bag after you're finished. Alright, it's been 5 minutes. I like the tea to be sweetened, so I'll be using some xylitol, and then stir it, and there you go. Cheers.